Hi guys, how you doing guys? Hi fans, hi friends, hi folks. Welcome to 2023 garden year. As you can see here, I've just organized my seed starting station. Okay, today being the 26th day of February 2023. I've got some vegetables, fruits, salads, and our African typical Nigeria, mostly eating Nigerian vegetable here. Guys, I please want you guys to go to my Facebook pages and my YouTube channel to watch out for the seeds planted here. I believe in less than 3 weeks we'll get some, germinating. So guys, watch out and keep watching and visit my pages for more information on what we are eating this year 2023 guys. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys very soon there. Thank you very much. Okay, ciao, bye bye guys. Thank you very much.